Visionaries, welcome back for another merch question of the day. Today, I'm talking about the 5 must-haves before you start on Merch by Amazon, or the 5 must-haves when you just start Merch by Amazon, whatever your journey is. Want to share these things with you because I found them helpful to me when I started. So I just want to kind of give you some foundation if you're feeling your way through the jungle that is Amazon, the mysterious ways of Merch by Amazon and being successful on it. So one is to have a goal. I mentioned that in a video yesterday. Have a goal or goals in mind as you enter this, because you need milestones to keep you motivated, to keep designing, to keep researching niches, to keep putting up t-shirts even when they're not selling, to keep motivated in the confines of tier 10, tier 25, tier 100, and feeling your way through as you're seeing others having success and maybe comparing yourself to them. Don't do it. Compare yourself to your own goals. So that's number one. 2 is do some research and think about what kind of customers you want to appeal to. Is it the masses? Is your store going to be focused, or your portfolio of designs going to be focused on a wide variety of people, a smaller group of people? Are you going to start out with smaller niches that you know something personally about, or your friends or family are involved in, or are you going for larger pop culture sort of niches? So just do some research. And with that, number 3 is have some designs in the can before you get approved by Merch by Amazon. Have some designs already ready to go so that when you get to tier 10, your upload limit per day is going to be 1 or 2 or whatever it is. But within that first week or week and a half, you have already got your slots filled, and then design some more. Design for the next tier before you get there. So have some designs in your arsenal. Luckily, before I started, got approved, I had some designs up on Teespring and they were selling already. So I kind of knew that they were going to pick up more steam once I got them on Merch by Amazon. And that's exactly what happened. As you look at some of my other videos and see the shirts that I talk about that I had from the beginning, that was because they were beta tested in essence on other PODs. So if you're having success on other PODs, they probably would do well on Merch by Amazon. So number 4, have some excitement in this. So this is probably a different type of advice that you were thinking I was going to give you in the top 5, but it comes down to you and your motivation as well. Are you excited about doing this? You excited once you get approved? Then on the back end, when you're there and it's time for you to crack down and do some designs and you put some up and they might not be selling, as your excitement still at the level that it needs to be? And what will invigorate that excitement for you? Is it a ka-ching, a sale? Is that all that's motivating you? So you kind of have to know, again, what your goals, what your motivation is, and maintain your excitement through this, because some people have an easy way out of tier 10. Others don't. So just be prepared for that and keep that excitement going, however motivates you. And then last, number 5 is curiosity. Do be curious. Do watch the videos here like you're watching this one. Do look at different maybe nuances in specific areas that you don't know about that may be profitable in terms of developing t-shirts for. So that is definitely something that I have found success in, finding other niches, sub niches that I didn't know about before, and really looking into it as a student and then an individual. Put yourself in the mind of someone that's interested in this thing. What would be the uniqueness about something that you could put on a shirt that they would buy? So those are the 5. Again, set a goal, have some designs in the can, do research, have excitement about this thing, and have some curiosity. Continue to be a student of this. and it'll be fruitful for you. If you don't enjoy what you're doing, if you're not curious and excited about it, then it's not going to necessarily work out. So put a smile on, and every time you enter the back end of your store, you should smile, because not everybody gets accepted. A lot of people were on and off the platform because they did things that they weren't supposed to be doing, and this is a added stream of income for you so that you can do the things that you love to do and have the money to do them. So that's what I have to share with you guys today. If this is your first time tuning in, thank you and hi, and do subscribe. And for those veterans that are always visiting the planet, I thank you so much. I love you guys. You guys are awesome. I see got you guys in various different parts of your journey, and I'm kind of on the beginning, but not the beginning, in terms of the world of Amazon, as folks that's been on for a few years, and I'm just starting the year in, and then others just starting out on tier 10 and day one. So, you know, we're all in different places. So I encourage you to take a look at other merchants on YouTube and look at their journey as well, but definitely do set your own bar and do continue to invest in yourself, invest in your talents, invest in your smarts, and trust your instinct on these things, and you will definitely be successful in this. So until next time, be well and peace, family.